Disclaimer: all content on Eazy-Tech Solutions is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote or encourage any illegal activities. Our aim is to raise awareness and help viewers stay safe online. Please use the information responsibly.
Welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. So in today's video, we'll be talking about website login page cloning. So I'll be showing you how hackers create fake login page of any website. So this method work in all websites, how they are able to clone the login page of websites. Then they can use the login page to run a phishing campaign to steal users data. All right, so in this video we'll be using Facebook as demonstration. So we are going to clone Facebook login page, then I will show you exactly how it's going to work. All right, so as you can see right here on your screen, this is the real Facebook login page. Okay, so you can see this one is facebook.com. Then this other one over here, this one is a clone Facebook login page. All right, so if hackers create a clone version of a particular website, so they are going to upload it online, so in a hosting server. So they are going to purchase hosting and domain name and upload the clone version of that particular website online. So they're able to send the link as a phishing campaign to, maybe if you are targeting Facebook users, for example. So you run a phishing campaign to Facebook users. So once they see this particular login, they will think this is the actual Facebook login page, unknowingly to them that this is a phishing page that is meant to steal their login information. So I'll be showing you the various steps on how to do something like this. But before we get started, let me show you how this page works. So as I said earlier, this page is a phishing page, while this one is the real Facebook login page. All right, so let me close this now. So once they send this link to unsuspecting user, so they will think it's the real Facebook login page. So they will go ahead and log in. Let's say I want to log in now. I will click on, okay, let's say I'm logging in with my email. So I will select my mail here, then I will type in my password. Okay, let's say that's my password. So I will click on login. So once I try to log in, automatically the site will redirect to the real Facebook login page, unknown to the user that the information he or she entered has already been harvested by the hacker. Okay, so I will show you the hacker will be able to see this information that was entered by the user. So what I need to do right now is that I need to go to my hosting, to my cPanel. So this is where I was able to get the data, because this is where I uploaded the phishing file. One of the main reason why you have to this particular method of getting the data right from the cPanel is that it make the website less suspicious. Okay, there's a way we have coded this particular site that it will send the data to your email address which you put on the site, but that particular method is very, very suspicious. It will make them flag the site, and it will start showing suspicious site. Okay, so that's very bad. So this particular method, whereby you will get the user's data on the cPanel, is very, very active and is less suspicious. Okay, so if I want to get that information, I will come right onto the cPanel where I uploaded the phishing site. So I will click on data. Okay, so I will open this test file. This data.txt. So let's say view. Okay, so this is the information I entered. So this is the email address, then this is the password, which is 1234 567. Okay, so that's it. That's how this phishing website work. That's how they're able to, get unsuspected users login information. They can be able to use it to, log in into the user's account and do a whole lot of stuff. All right. So, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you exactly how they create this login page. So, this doesn't work on Facebook alone, it works on all websites. There are other tools online that you can use to, extract the full website, but this particular one, we are targeting the login page of that website so that you can use it to, run phishing campaign. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, or if you want to clone the website login page or any other page at all, is that you need to first of all visit the particular page. Okay, so I recommend you use Firefox. So you visit the website with Firefox browser. So, for example, we want to clone this Facebook login page. So all we need to do right now is to right click. So you right click, then you click on that is save as. Okay, so click on save as. So we want to save this page inside this Facebook folder. So, and another thing is that you need to make sure you select this section that says all files. All right, so once you select it, then you click here, which is the save. All right, so as you can see, we have successfully saved this Facebook login page. So let's go back to the folder now. Let's open the folder. So let's open this page now. Let's open it. So double click. Awesome. So as you can see right now, this is my local computer. This particular Facebook login page is on my local. I'm currently loading this page inside my local computer. It's not online. All right. So that's how easy it is for you to clone on the Facebook login page. All right. So the next thing we need to do right now is to program this login page. So we are going to program it in such a way that if we upload it online and a user, try to log in their Facebook account, we're able to get their information. Okay. So to do that, we need to, open this page on a text editor. So you can use any text editor. So I'm going to use Notepad plus plus. I'm using Notepad plus plus. Then we are going to locate the login form. Let's say we are going to locate this session where the user is going to, put their information if they want to log in. Okay, to get it easily, you can just, Control F, search. Then you can search for, let's say method. You can search for method. Okay, so you can see method here. So let me close this place. So this is where we are looking for. We are looking for this session here. So let me just separate it from the rest code. Okay, so I will separate it. Then I will come over here. Where is the other form? Okay, so this is it. I will come here and separate also. Okay, so this is where we are making all our changes. All right, so we are going to make our changes in this form tag. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to clear this ID session. So we are going to clear this place. So we'll clear this ID, clear the ID, then come over here also. Where is it? Should be around here. Okay, so this is it. So I will clear this ID. So that's it. Then the next thing we need to do is that we are going to change this action. So this particular section that said action, so we are going to change it to let's say we are going to change it to login.php. So let me just do something like this .php. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do is that we are trying to redirect the like the action that will be taken when a user try to submit information on this form. So the link we cleared from this action, that's Facebook link. So when a user click on the register or create accounts button, so the that's where the information we submit to. So we are trying to manipulate this form now so that we're able to get the information. Okay, so that's it. So you change place this action to login.php. So we are going to create this login.php file. All right, so to do that now, so let's create the file. So let me use Ctrl N. Then I will say save. Okay, save as. Okay, we are currently inside the same Facebook folder which we created. So I will come here and select PHP over here. Then we'll name it login.php. Okay, so that's it. I will save. So the next thing we'll do is that we are going to copy this code. Let me come here and open. Okay, so this is the PHP and code we are going to copy and paste inside that file we created. Okay, this is the code that we collect the information from the form from the Facebook form, and it will create a file data.txt where all the information entered from that file will be saved. Okay, so and this section, this header and location Facebook, so this is the action that will be taken after the user have enter this or information and click on either login or register. So automatically this code will redirect the user to the real Facebook account. Okay, so this is the PHP code that we use to collect the information or data from the login page. All right, so um, this code will do the work that we need. So we'll be able to collect, we'll be able to retrieve information from the page. Okay, so we are going to copy this code now. Copy the code and we'll come over here and paste. Okay, so I'll paste the code here and save. All right, so that's it. We are going to upload these two files on our page, on our cPanel, so you can get let's say you can get your hosting and domain name from any hosting provider. You can use Namecheap, you can use Hostinger, you can use HostGator, you can use any um, hosting or domain name provider of your choice. All right, so I've already gotten the domain name and hosting we are using for this tutorial, so we are just going to upload the files. So I will come over here. So this is the domain name where I will be uploading that file we just created. So as you can see, it's empty. So I will come here. Okay, this is it, training. So I will open it. Then I will come over here and click upload. Okay, so make sure you save all the changes you made before uploading the file on your cPanel. All right, so another thing is that before uploading you need to rename this particular file. Okay, so we need to rename it. So let me go back and resave. So I will say save as. Okay, I will say index.html. Okay, so this is an HTML file. So I will save. Okay, so I've renamed the file. I received the file as index.html. So I'll have to delete this particular one. Okay, so I'll upload. Okay, so as you can see, we are having the files here now. We are having the index file and the login file. All right, so the next thing we need to do right now is to create a folder. So we need to create a folder, and the name of the folder will be data. Okay, so click on create. Okay, so let's load our site. So as you can see, this is the site right now. This is the clone. This is the Facebook login page we just clone. All right, so what we need to do right now is that we are going to test this particular website to see if we are going to receive the details. All right, so to do that, let's just use this email address. Then I'll type password 1234567 8. All right, so I'll click on login. Awesome. So as you can see, the this particular page redirected us. So let's go and see if the data was submitted correctly. Okay, so let's open. So as you know already, this data.txt, we did not create it, but the website will automatically create this txt file where it's going to save all the login that is entered from that form. All right, so let's right click now and we'll view. Okay, so that's it. This is the email address and the password I entered earlier. So everything is working perfectly. So that's how easy it is for hackers to clone login page of any website. All right, so this method works in all websites. So it's not only for Facebook, it works in any website that have a login page. You can just copy the login page and write PHP code and everything will work perfectly. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.